Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Mailbox from Outlook. So I'm using the Outlook 365 that comes as a part of an Office 365, and I'm also using the desktop application. So if you want to remove a mailbox, and let's say I want to remove this mailbox right here, you want to go to the file, then account settings, and right here click account settings. This will bring you to this window right here that's called account settings, and here you can select the mailbox which you want to remove and just click remove. You're going to be asked if you really want to do this, and you can take the backup of the offline to OST file, for example, and you're going to be asked, do you want to continue? I want to click yes, and this is it. You have just removed your mailbox from Outlook. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!